What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm Derek, Big Boy Artistry here, wanting to say what's up to you guys. Hope everybody had a good day. Today, I'm going to do one of my favorite, let me rephrase that. Today, I'm doing one of my favorite pours, which is a ring pour with movement. I know it's called something else, but I like to call it that. This is the pour that started it all. And what I'm doing now, I have 11 by 14 canvas. And the colors I'm going to be using are Artist Loft Copper, Artist Loft Burnt Sienna, and Liquitex Parchment Permanent, something like that. And I'm going to be doing my ring pour with movement. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to talk through the whole thing. I'm going to let you know why I chose these colors. And I will have a link in the description to my website, of course, bigboyacrylicdesign.com, as well as the canvas and the paints and the mixtures I used. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, what we got going on here? Again, this is my ring pour. Got my little measuring cup, it goes to 8 ounce. So I'm going to be using, again, parchment, burnt sienna, and copper to give that metallic look. Now I'm going to start with the burnt sienna. And what I do is what a lot of people do, a lot of people don't. What I do is I just pour it along the edge of the far edge of the cup. I try and do a 3 count in my head of how much to pour. Like 1, 2, 3. Alright, like that. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. And I just keep going just like that. All the way up until I get to the desired ounces I want to pour. And I'll just keep stacking until it's all done. Alright. Now the way I do it is I used to do cups, but I don't do too many cups anymore. I try to use these because these get the perfect spout that I want for my canvas. So I try to do that the best I can. I chose these colors is because I like to use the earth tone type of feel, type of look. Which is why I don't mind doing these colors all the time, because these colors are nice. I like these colors. Especially the copper. The copper looks so good. And I'm so amazed about how good this copper looks. But the funny thing is, a lot of the colors that I use, the copper really doesn't go well except with black and white. But that's okay. That's okay. That's the object of the game here, right? Is to work with as many things as you can, figure it out, have fun. That's the main thing. That's the goal, is to just have fun with it. If you can't have fun, then why are you doing it? Right? Like I said in my previous video, you have to enjoy what you do. Otherwise, what's the point? But again, don't let nobody tell you that you can't do it. There's always ways. People are going to try and stop you, but don't let them do it. Just smile, thank you very much, and have a nice day, and walk away. Because people like that do not deserve your time. Alright, all my colors have been poured. And as you can see, everything looks like it's ready to be done. I like that already. So alright, we're going to put that to the side. Bring this down. Now, another thing is that a lot of people will use a base. I've tried with a base and without a base. I could not get the right mixture for paint to water or Floetrol for my base, so I just stopped using it altogether. And I've actually gotten a lot better doing it with this, just a straight canvas. So here we go. Let's get the pouring and see what we can do with it. I hold it up kind of high so I can get that small stream going. And when it gets big enough, I just go ahead and move it along the canvas. But I will stop in the middle every now and again just to let it pool. And then I'll keep going. The copper looks good already. And we're going to come around. Get that edge right there. Ooh, I like these colors. These colors looking good together. And I'm going to keep pouring until I'm empty. Because I'd rather have too much on the canvas than not enough. And there we go. All right. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and burst the bubbles. Forgive my little burner here. I do have a better one. I just ran out of propane and I have not got propane. I have not gotten any more of it yet. So I do have one. I have a nice one. I just got to get new butane for it. All right, and now we will tilt and stretch to see what we get. I like to go forwards and back to stretch out to stretch them out a little bit. Then when I get it to where I like it, I'll bring it back to center. Then I'll go left to right. Left to right, left to right. Because the swirl of colors actually look good. All right, there you go. Now they're starting to look good. Now it's starting to look good. There we go, right there. I'll bring back center. Let's go up here. All right, come on back. Then we're gonna get down there. Get that corner right down there. Always, if you're gonna cover the canvas, always get the corners and make sure you get the corners. Because otherwise, it's not going to turn out right, and you're going to be like, why didn't I not get the corners like I was supposed to? Which I have done. I have done it. I have done that to the point where I have forgotten to get my corners on a few pieces, and it did not turn out right. Oh, sorry. All right, we're going to get this one last corner right here. It's coming along nicely. It's coming along nicely. I think I didn't make enough, but that's okay. That's okay. It's still covered nicely anyway. All right, and there we go. And there we go. There is the ring pour that started it all. The ring pour with movement. Just make sure you always get the corners and the bottom. I am going to turn around just so I can make sure I got the corners right. All right, let's go ahead. Turn it around. All right, up. See, right here. There we go. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The ring pour that started all my art. Like I said, I love doing ring pours. Ring pours are my favorite, as I said, because they look amazing any way you tilt and stretch. Now, I'm going to say this again, like I did in my last video. Do not let anybody tell you you cannot do this. Because these are simple, these are easy, and acrylic pouring is absolutely amazing, and it's fun. It's fun to do. It's fun to create new and interesting things using any household items. Like for example, in later videos, you will see me do a sink strainer pour, which looks like this. I will be doing one of these in a few videos. You know, and I'm gonna do a colander pour at some point too. So we're gonna keep that in mind. But for now, as I said, the link to everything I've done will be in the description, along with my website, bigboyacrylicdesign.com, which will have all my work for sale, the ones on the videos especially, and the ones that you don't see. So I'm hoping everybody go ahead and stop by, take a look, or you can go to my Instagram page at Big Boy Artistry. That will be in a link in my description as well. All right, so I will be doing a close-up. So you guys, thank you for coming in. Enjoy your night, and take care of yourselves.